Babbleboxx is honored to partner with Lowe's in creating expressions of gratitude to our frontline heroes working every day to support our communities during this challenging time.
We are partnering with Lowe's to #BuildThings. We made this sign to thank the frontline workers, and we want you to do the same. Get materials from your house and make a sign.
We asked our network of influencers to create DIY thank you messages using objects that can already be found around the house.
We took the Lowe's challenge to make a whole Lego hospital, this whole entire thing. And we just wanted to do it to thank all the nurses, frontliners, and doctors.
We loved all the creativity they used, from holiday lights, paints, chalk, scraps of wood, and more. Together, we are turning do-it-yourself into a do-it-together moment. We are so appreciative of our doctors, nurses, supermarket cashiers, delivery people, healthcare workers, firefighters, and EMTs. We are better together. Build thanks.